additional. Today I'm trading. I'm trading gold. Okay, and this is my live chart going. This is happening now. Okay, you can see I have placed 2 trades, one for buy, 2 buys. Okay, so the first one I'm making a loss of $21 then the second one I am on a profit. So an overall estimate is that I am on a loss. So let's see how these things play out, if I'll cash out massively or I'll have to sacrifice some trades. So with that, let's keep watching. It's $1,000, and so far I've made over $104 and commissions for this. Okay, so there's commission when you trade. Okay, they'll be deducting you certain commission, and my commission is $4, which makes my earning here to be $1,100. So you can see here buy sell, and you can see actually for this trade which $20 which I cancelled. Okay, I actually put a TP here at this level at 5. Okay, this is where I actually place my level. At this level here, this is where I place my entry level, my take profit level. But at this point up here, which was around $20, I got scared and I closed the trade. So I closed this trade while having this other trade active. Okay, because this was on lost. So but now the funniest thing is this is it. My trade actually he took profit. I took the profit, and if I had left this trade at this level, I believe this would have been at least a $50. Okay, but nevertheless it's still okay. Sometimes it's good to take profit when you are not so sure, because this is forex. Okay, we don't know how the market will move. So I believe so far this is it. And remember, the challenge is still ongoing right now, and all you just have to do is trade and have a minimum of $100. Okay, if you have $100, $80 is my own profit, and I'll be giving $20 to the company, and that is how this thing works. So the challenge is still ongoing. The link will be left in the description box, so you can sign up. You can see my account. I have $1,000, and this is it which I'm using to trade. So my profit's supposed to be $100. I already hit my profit within 5. I signed up like 2 to 3 hours ago, and I've already made $100 from my profit. But I believe I could have made more than $100 because I missed maybe 5 chances where I could have taken maybe a minimum of $20 per trade. So but nevertheless, I'm still happy for today. Decide to earn it, or I would continue later. Now it's still early morning, so it's 8 a.m. okay, it's still 8 a.m. and you can see my trade. I started, my first trade was a loss. It was actually a profit, but when I closed it I took a loss. So you can see I started with the time. You can see at 4 a.m. okay, I started trading at 4 a.m. and my account was funded at 4 a.m. I started trading 15 minutes later, and this is 4 hours exactly later. I've already hit my challenge goals, which is making $100 in 4 hours. So this is actually working. So the link will be left in